Nagsanib puwersa ang Far East Utah Marketing Corporation at Trace Minerals Research Institute para magdala ng mineral-based health products sa Pilipinas. Ito ang magpupuno sa kakulangan sa pang-araw-araw na nutrisyon at magpapatibay sa resistensya ng katawan ng bawat Pinoy. Si Mark De La Rosa sa balitang yan.
Mahalaga ang pagkakaroon ng sapat at balansing nutrisyon para sa mas malusog na pangangatawan at malakas na resistensya. Pero hindi rin natin maikakaila na hindi sapat ang pagkain para sa kompletong vitamins and minerals na kailangan ng ating katawan. Kaya naman nagsanib puwersa ang Far East Utah Marketing Corporation at Trace Minerals Research Institute para magdala ng mineral-based health products sa Pilipinas na magpupuno sa kakulangan ng ating pang-araw-araw na nutrisyon at magpapatibay sa ating resistensya.
Trace Minerals stands for health, right? We want to be able to bring health not only to the people in the United States or the people in Europe or the people in South America, but all over the world. I'm very grateful to be able to grow that market with you here in the Philippines.
As we sign this contract, we are not just sealing a business deal, we are forging a partnership that will change lives. We are uniting our strengths, our passions, and our dreams to create a healthier and happier world.
Sa mahigit 50 taon, nakatuon ang Trace Minerals Research Institute sa pagsasaliksik, pagpapalaganap ng kamalayan, at pagbuo ng mga produktong pangkalusugan para matupad nila ang layuning suportahan ang bawat isa na magkaroon ng malusog na pamumuhay sa pamamagitan ng mineral supplements. Kabilang sa kanilang mga produkto ay ang Trace Mineral Drops na mayroong magnesium, potassium, sodium at chloride. Mayroon ding powder and capsule magnesium glycinate. Ang full spectrum minerals na ito ay makatutulong para mapabuti ang ating overall health.
The words that Trace uses is to remineralize the world. Get this product into everybody's hands. We know that the world is mineral deficient, and so this is the way to start. If we can start with something like this and the excitement and get that spreading throughout the world, it's exactly what Trace wants to happen.
At sa tulong ng Far East Utah Marketing Corporation, mas marami pang Pilipino ang makikinabang sa mga mineral-based health products na kanilang iniaalok para sa kalusugan at kabuhayan.
The strength of our community, the dedication of our staff, and the enthusiasm of our distributors have been my pillars and resilience. Seeing the faces of those who believes in this vision, together, we will move forward beyond horizons, turning dreams into reality, working together.
Mark De La Rosa, para sa mata ng Agila. Matatag, matapang, matapat.